So I'm 43 years old. I was healthy and fit, always ate a healthy diet. So learning that I had a problem with my heart was a bit of a shock. It's not something you really ever think about. You know, you're healthy, why would something go wrong? And all of a sudden, you have this news. I received a phone call from the cardiology lab, and they said, we have a problem. You have severe mitral regurgitation. He said we need to run some more tests, but I would strongly recommend that we get this taken care of through surgery. But I learned that Southlake was the only hospital in the Greater Toronto area that performs this minimally invasive mitral valve surgery. So that was a relief, because I did not want to have a big scar down my front. If I had to, I had to, but that's not something that you would prefer. So I came in for surgery on a Thursday morning and left the hospital Monday morning. So 4 days after surgery. It's amazing when I think about it. The whole experience was great. From the clerical staff to the volunteers at the pre-op clinic to the food staff, the catering staff, the nurses were all fantastic. Obviously my surgeon was great, I'm here today. And to have it all so close to home was just, you know, fantastic.